Nucleophilic aromatic substitution reaction. You know that nucleophilic substitution is very difficult for aromatic compounds, but here how it can be easier we will see. This is orthochlorotoluene. So when orthochlorotoluene react with NaNH2 and NH3 in presence of NH3, what will happen? Here benzene will be formed. Cl and H will be lost and we will get benzene. Okay, now unsymmetrical arine, it is called unsymmetrical arine, or it is also called benzene. So by now you see that this triple bond is present between A and B. So NH2 group will join to this and this also, but one at a time. So NH2 coming over here, and then second time NH2 coming over here. So means 1 and 2 from attack A and this from attack B. So both will be favored here because it is CH3 group is electron releasing group. But case will be different when electron withdrawing group is present. So when electron withdrawing group is present, the same thing will be there. And here suppose this triple bond is found between meta and para. This is meta and para position. So we'll see that there are two products can be obtained. NH2 can come over here, NH2 can over here, or NH2 can come over here. So I have written NH2 ortho position and para. This is para position, this is meta position, and side by side negative charge on the meta position, here negative charge on the para position. Now in case of electron withdrawing group, we will see that electron withdrawing group is nearer to which negative, which point it is at meta position, negative charge will be there, so this will be favored. तो दो केस यहाँ पर हो सकते हैं, दिस मेटा एंड पैरा पोजीशन में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हो या ऑर्थो एंड मेटा पोजीशन में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हो. ओके, एट दैट मोमेंट NH2 ए एंड बी पोजीशन में दोनों में आएगा. एक में पहले NH2 आ गया, दूसरे में बी ए पोजीशन में, फिर बी हियर बी पोजीशन, हियर ए पोजीशन. मीन्स ऑर्थो एंड मेटा, रिमेंबर मेटा एंड हियर ऑर्थो. एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज इफ NH2 इज हियर, सो नेगेटिव चार्ज विल बी ऑन द ऑर्थो पोजीशन. NH2 is the ortho position, so then negative charge at the meta position. Now what will you see? That negative charge when it is closer to electron withdrawing group, that will be favored. So this will be favored. This product will be favored. Okay, both of them will be formed. This is favored, this is least favored. Now in case when meta and para position are having triple bond, okay, at that moment what will happen? At that moment on both the side, on para position NH2 will come, and at meta position NH2 will come, and likewise then negative charge will be taking place at meta here and para here. So which is closer? This negative charge closer to electron withdrawing group, that is why